Hi, I'm Sue Grant from Berthon. We're going today to have a look at the Grand Soleil 50. She's called Juniper. She's from 2012 and actually she is a great blue water cruising yacht. So let's go. Here she is in not very sunny Portland. Hull's in great shape. She's got 3 spreader, Sparcraft rig, anodized, an anodized boom. These owners bought her to do a North Atlantic circuit, did the Arc in 2024. She had a refit before she went, and in fact the first owner is very well known to Berthon, and he had her built in 2012. She was a Judel Vrolijk. He wanted the Judel Vrolijk design, and she was built under the supervision of a surveyor he had used for all of his yachts. He maintained her immaculately. These guys have done a lot of good work with standing rigging, rig overhaul, updating her power systems, and frankly she's never looked better. So we'll start here. Here is the anchor windlass, spare anchor, stainless steel chain. There's also seawater deck wash here. Oops. And then coming back, this is the forward lazarette. This is very capacious. The brown box is where the retractable bow thruster lives. There's a carbon passerelle. She's got some downwind sails here, oars for the dinghy, and quite a lot of other stuff. And wonderful teak deck. It's never really been touched. It's kept boracold. The caulking is looking absolutely fantastic. If you have a look here, there's very, very little wear. It's the same throughout the deck. She's got a new solar array. This is permanent. She's also got a solar array on the bimini, which was replaced before she went away into the Caribbean. And she's also got a third solar array setup, which lives on the foredeck when she's at anchor. Have a look at the spray hood. This is literally a couple of weeks old, brand new. And then into the cockpit, all Harken deck gear, Harken winches. As you can see, they're all powered. She's got a carbon twin wheels. She's got Raymarine hybrid touch. This is the control, with the control for the bow thruster, the throttle control for the main engine, and here you've also got a new I-70. Great big capacious cockpit, very easy boat to work. You've got in this locker, you've actually got loads of storage. There's an outboard in there at the moment with a lift for it here. Gas bottle. There would be room to have a generator if you wished, but because of her setup, these owners haven't found it necessary. Water maker here, and more flat storage in these lockers. Look here, these are ship supplies, all included in the sale. She has a really good collection of spares included with her. Raymarine's been updated, and now we're going to go down below and have a look at her inside. Okay, so here she is, teak interior, lovely teak and holly laminate floor, simple sailor's layout which works so well. Owner's cabin forward, large double, sofas each side, really good storage. as well as under the bed. And you've also got an ensuite, electric loos both forward and in the guest accommodation, separated shower. There is a shower curtain, but these owners have never bothered with it. And then main saloon. This berth has a lee cloth, which is great for when you're on passage. Couple of seats here which move for when you're entertaining, and here we have a large eating area, lovely table with room for the essential equipment here. The smart TV is a new acquisition, as well as, look at these, and it's the same on the other side. These have been custom built by the first owners. The hull windows were a non-standard piece of kit when the first owner ordered her. So then, large nav station, Raymarine, Fusion, standalone Furuno. She's got Iridium, she's got VHF, controls for the water maker, and also controls for the battery system. The battery chargers are underneath here, and the charger was replaced in 24. And look at this. Candy washing machine, no yacht, which is crossing an ocean, should be without one. Very well organised galley, 3-burner gas cooker, twin sink, foot pump. This is fresh water from the water maker. Nice fridge, and look at this, this is sweet. Here, all this kit goes with the boat. It's all built in, so this is a very, very good galley for living on board and living well. Day head is here. There is a shower, and this all drains away. Another electric loo, and the oilskin locker is behind. Now this is of course a twin guest cabin. At the moment it's, as you see, holding 2 downwind sails. Also this package here, this fellow, is the solar array for when you are to anchor, and there are some cockpit cushions. Here we have electrics, and just here I just wanted to show you the main engine, which has had a big birthday in this ownership. Alternator there, looking extremely shiny. The boat has just had new AGM batteries, both of which live in port and starboard aft cabins. And here is a double aft cabin with masses of storage, very light and airy. You've got opening ports and open hatchway overhead. So, Juniper, Grand Soleil 50, in really great shape, very up together, ready to go again and cross more oceans, intelligently set up with solar array rather than generator. She has new batteries, new battery management system, and she's good to go.